It should only take 3 or 4 nights in a row before you are all sleeping all night long in your own bed. Hi, Dr. Altman here with some smart advice to encourage your child to sleep in his own bed. First, set aside a few nights in a row where it's okay if you don't get any sleep, maybe a long weekend. Let your child know that you expect him to sleep all night long in his own bed. Get him a special new pillow, blankie, or stuffed animal that he can cuddle to help him sleep all night in his own big boy bed. When he does get out of bed, and he will, take his hand and march him right back to his room. Simply say, "At night, we sleep in our own bed." Tuck him in and leave. The next time he gets out, simply say, "Bed." Take his hand and march him right back to bed. The third time, don't say anything. Just take him back to bed. Continue this routine every time he gets out of bed. The next night, do the same thing. It should only take 3 or 4 nights in a row before you are all sleeping all night long in your own beds.